In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply security on an email from Outlook to Next.
Here I'm going to show you how dynamic permission control can be used in Next. It can be applied to any type of document, but here I'll show you how to apply permission policies to a customer email. In Outlook, I use the Next Outlook plugin to archive the email in Next. I select the customer number, and then I can apply one or several security policies to the email as well. I would like to share this email with people in sales and purchase, and also I would like to provide access to my colleagues in operations. I click Save, and when the email is archived, Outlook marks it as added to Next. In Next, I can now easily find the email again and see that the permission that I chose, and actually the permissions that I chose, have been applied to the document. And if necessary and with the right permissions, any user can reapply permissions on a document in Next.
Next Way, making good business run better.